So hello everyone, today we have our most amazing costume designer in Marathi and a Bollywood industry, Chaitrali Dongre ma'am.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Thank you for coming today. I am Yashashi Jadhav and this is my team, Srushti More and Priya Patil. We will be conducting interview today.
Before we begin, I would love to get to know about yourself. Can you please start by sharing about your life?
Okay. Basically, hi everyone. I am Chaitrali Dongre. I am a costume designer from last 21 years in this field. Basically, I have done Marathi movies, Hindi movies, web series, ad films, TV commercials. I have done my graduation in dramatics. There, I have studied costumes to come in this field to be as a professional. And basically, now I'm working with many directors, producers, with many celebrities. And from last 20 years, I'm working for web series, serials, Marathi movies and ad films.
So can you describe your journey so far?
From my childhood, I was interested in costumes basically. I would like to do tailoring, I would like to do embroidery and all those things. So after my 10th, I did my diploma. Means many a times what we do that after 10th, we every time go for arts, commerce and science. It is like 12th we do, then we do a graduation and post-graduation. But basically I was interested in this field, so I thought that I should not waste my time in just only completing a degree. See, in each field degree is important, but it is not like that only you should have a certificate in your hand. Basically, you should be prepared and you should like that field. Then only if you are interested in that field, then only it is good to enter. Otherwise, your father, mother, your family is forcing you to go to become a doctor, to become an advocate, or to come in a film line. It is not like that, because at last this is our bread and butter also. So for that I was interested very much from my childhood. I used to act also in short films, in dramas, and mostly I was means my family was giving me a backing for this to go in this field. So after 10th I did teachers diploma in tailoring and embroidery. I did a course. After that I did a graduation from Pune University. I did dramatics in theatre.
What advice would you like to give to our youngsters?
See, basically, as a costume designer, I will just give you an advice. Whoever all you want to come in this field, whether it might be a acting also, it might be a editing, direction, writing, cinematography, anything. But you see to it that how you get prepared to enter in this field in a commercial and a professional manners. So for that, what you have to do first? So there are many colleges, there are many institutes, there are many courses also. So it is upon you whether to do a course, whether to join an institute or whether to join a college. Some people what they do, some people don't do any courses. What they do, if they think that I'm prepared, I'm having a basic knowledge for that, what they do, they go with someone, with a professional like a cinematographer or editor or a designer, and they think that I will go and assist them. Means internship. In your college there are internships where we are not we don't pay them, but it is a practical example for them, experience for them. Because I think so, like theory, how theory is more important, in that way practical is also more important in this way. I want to tell you that in our field, struggle is till the end of our life. Means Amitabh Bachchan ji, everyone knows it. He also says that in my life also struggle is till the end of my life. Why? Because the actors or our technicians, today we have work, tomorrow we don't know whether we are going to have work or not. So whatever work you are having now, take it, do it in the good proper way, so that the same people will call you again by seeing your creativity. And when that work comes out, when other people will see, then the other people will also think of you and they will also give you some other work.
So, are there any new challenges or roles that you are eager to take on?
Means what exactly you mean to say?
Means like now, if there are any challenges, you are ready to take it on.
Yeah, of course, because this is a film line, that's why what challenges you will be able to face and what hurdles also will come, that we don't know. But I will tell you again, it is means you are all are girls. That's why I'm telling you. And some people also ask that in our industry whether we are secured or not. Means according to the ladies, women, girls. But it depends upon you. How yourself you are going to present in front of others. The other person is going to watch you. He is going to represent you. So means what you say. In Marathi we say टाळी एका हाताने वाजत नाही. So it is that how you present yourself in that way you are going to get the response from the frontal people.
Okay, so how would you balance your professional and your personal life?
First I give what you say, my first preference is for the professionalism, because we don't know exactly when we are going to shoot, when we are free, when sometimes we go for the shooting, sometimes we go for the meeting, sometimes we sit whenever we are at home. Still then we are in that only. Means like me, if I'm at home, means my night before sleeping I can't sleep without reading the books. I read novels, stories, drama, whatever the things are there. So in your what you say that even if I'm there at home, I will give time to the family also. But still then, I have to be updated, because in this field, everyone have to be updated. Why? Because we don't know what exactly we are going to shoot, what exactly story, what exactly topic we are going to get for the shooting. So we should be prepared for that also. We should have a basic knowledge for that also. Means for example, if you get a movie related to scientist or astronaut, you should have a basic knowledge of that also. I'm not saying you go deeply in that. When you get a movie regarding that, you have to go deeply in that. So in that way, I think so. Whenever you are free, see that time, how you waste your time. I will not say waste. How you are involved in some things, and you go. It's like, for example, I will tell you, in Nehru Center is there in Mahalakshmi. Everyone thinks that who are related to science, they people only will go to. It is not like that. Anyone can go to the Nehru Center. Why? I don't know what you will grab from that.
Are there any causes, characteristics you are passionate about in this field?
Yeah, I'm passionate. From last I said that when I was a child, from that time onwards, I'm passionate. I'm interested in costume designing. I'm a casting director also. I do casting for movies, ad films, TVCs, commercials, web series. And I'm also work as executive producer for many projects also. So in that terms, I'm passionate. Means related to this field, I'm passionate for everything.
Wow, thank you so much. We had a great time with you.